Okay, so today we're doing an oil pan on a 2015 6.7 Powerstroke. I originally just came in for a service. You can see I've got the oil filter off already. I went to pull this pan plug out and it was already loose, and then about a turn and a half in it started to get really hard to turn, and you can see, I don't know if you can tell right there, but it's definitely cross-threaded and been jammed in there. So we are going to replace this pan and get it back on the road where it isn't going to have a chance of losing the oil plug. So follow that along. We'll take all these bolts, are just 10mm bolts around it. I'll drain the oil first, pull them 10mm bolts, and then the valve cover, or the oil pan gasket, it's supposed to be reusable, so we'll just clean that all up, make sure it's good, and we'll put it back together with a new pan. I've got a new pan right here, and then we'll finish the service and get it back on the road. Follow along. Okay, so it didn't look like a lot of oil came out of that, but that's just because it's been dripping overnight. The plug's been halfway out through the night while we waited for the new oil pan to get here. So I got all the bolts out of that pan. I'm going to go ahead and try and pop it off. I'm going to try with a screwdriver at first. Just got to be careful not to damage the gasket if we're going to reuse it. Okay, pan's off. Looks like it's just a silicone type gasket. So we'll get this surface cleaned up, and then make sure this new one's cleaned up. You can see there's a little bit of dust in it and stuff. We'll get it put back on there so it seals up and fill her back up with oil. Okay, so I've got this all cleaned up, the surface. I just used this Scotch-Brite pad, a little bit of ether, and a gasket scraper. Got all that old silicone off so it's a clean surface to mate up. And I use this ultra gray gasket maker material for the gasket. We'll get her put back up there and let it seal. Okay, so I only ran those down like just barely with the gun just to get them snugged up. They're not tight at all. I'm just gonna do that with a ratchet and a wrench. That way I'm not gonna break anything. So that definitely don't run down with the gun. I just did that to get the initial suck up of the pan. So that's basically it. Now I'll just finish doing the service, put the oil filter on, fill it back up with oil. Probably smart to give this a little while just to dry so it doesn't leak, but that's the gist of it. Thanks for watching.